Welcome to Unity Central, a platform that gives you real-time visibility into every order, what came in, when, who touched it, and whether it matched what was supposed to happen. That activity chain accumulates over time, turning into a living record of how your business actually runs. Real-time visibility today, institutional memory forever. Before we dive in, let me talk about the problem this solves. How many emails like this does your team get in a week? A customer asking where their shipment is, and by the time that email lands in someone's inbox, you're already behind. Your data is everywhere, and it's disconnected. It's in SAP. It's in logistics and finance systems. It's in Excel. It's buried in email threads. Unity Central collects, stores, and indexes all of it. Every document, every signal, every timestamp into a single connected chain for each order. It's a visibility and investigation layer with AI at its core, so your team can stop hunting for answers and start making decisions. For this demo, we're looking at Unity Central through the lens of a busy salesperson trying to get instant, reliable visibility into their open orders. Here's your orders view. At a glance, you can see where every order stands: open, acknowledged, shipment started, invoiced, and critically, that red number in the corner, 4 orders flagged as needs review. Those are your fires before your customer calls. Let's start with what good looks like. This order is invoiced and progressing cleanly. No flags. Click into the timeline and you can see every stage landed on time, in order. Open, acknowledged, shipment started, invoiced. No surprises, no action needed. You also have all linked documents, full order details, and a downloadable bundle you can share with any relevant parties. Now let's take a deeper dive and look at the flow. This is where you can see exactly how the order moved. Every step, every party involved, every document attached, all time-stamped in sequence. You can see the shipment was dispatched. The bill of lading is right here, attached to that step. Invoice issued same day. Every stage completed. Every document accounted for. Every party, seller, buyer, carrier, all visible in one chain. This is what institutional memory looks like. 6 months from now, a year from now, if anyone asks what happened with this order, it's all right here. You're not digging through email. You're not calling logistics. One click. Now let's look at a needs review order. The moment you open it, the system tells you exactly what's wrong. There's a quantity variance. The ordered quantity and the shipped quantity don't match. You didn't need a customer call to find this. The system already knew. And here's why. As documents and signals flow in across the order lifecycle, Unity Central's AI engine reads them in real time, comparing what was expected against what actually happened. When there's a mismatch, it flags it. No one had to go looking. Let's dig deeper. The flow view shows you precisely where the order broke down, with documents attached to every step, creating a level of traceability your team can log and access anytime. You can see the exact moment things went off track. If I wasn't using Unity Central, I would have never caught this. My customer would have called me before I called them. That's the difference between managing your business and reacting to it. That's Unity Central. Every order, every document, every signal, connected, indexed, timestamped in one place. Real-time visibility into where every order stands. Institutional memory that compounds over time, and the ability to catch problems before they become customer conversations.